What if you had a seasoned developer sitting right over your shoulder, giving you the code that you needed to write the CSS to create the designs that you want? Well, that is what I have begun to implement in the toolkit under Robo-Will. So this is just a tool. It's a chatbot. It's the AI chatbot we all know and love, but with some additional benefits to make this super powerful and super helpful for you in your workflow as you're customizing things. So the big part of this is our select tool. So we can turn on our select tool and then select something on the page and then ask our AI a question or ask it for some help about it. So let's say we wanted to add some curved edges around our images. I'm going to select our list section right here. You see it pulls it in right there. And then we can ask it a question. Say, please add some curved borders around these images. And, it's AI, so it goes with the flow of my typos right there. And because I've given it the specific context of this HTML, you can see it right there. So our entire section right here, it knows the data section ID to target. It adds that in immediately. And it also knows the exact classes to target. So we don't even have to keep up with whatever changes Squarespace is making anymore, because we're just pulling in the exact HTML as it is on our page. So I can just copy this, drop it into my custom CSS area, and boom, we got it. So we can go on a little bit more, add some colored borders here. So we want to add maybe some thicker colored borders, and it's just going to, of course, add on the border property to that. So I can just copy that. We'll remove that, paste it in, and it also gives you a little bit more information about some coloring options that we can use if you're curious about that. So this is super powerful, again, because we're giving it the exact context of what we need. So let's do another example. Let's say this is another fun thing I like to do. I'm going to go to an accordion block right here. We're just winging this. We're just playing this live. This isn't like a pre-recorded responses or anything. We'll start a new chat up here. You can also have the history of all of your chats right here. So I've been testing and playing around with this for a while, and it works. It was working pretty good. We've been using this internally for a good bit, and it's been great to write customizations for our plugins, other people's plugins, any code snippets, any just additional little tweaks we want. So let's turn this on. Let's toggle our accordion block. You see it's pulled it in right there. Say, write me 5 fun customizations for this. And we'll just see what it comes up with. And this is one of my, I don't know how practical this is, to be quite honest. But it's fun just to see what the AI comes up with. It's good at giving answers. So we could have given this a bit more guidance. We could have said, give me some brutalist designs for this. Give me some minimalist designs for this. Give me some colorful designs for this. But it has just come back with 5 designs right here. So we can just copy and let's just drop them in. I'm going to get rid of that from earlier. We'll just drop it in, and this one, let's see, this one didn't really seem to do anything. Sometimes the custom CSS area gets a little wonky, so you just have to save it and refresh it. This is just an annoying little Squarespace bug. Let's see if that was the case. There we go. So we got this fun little gradient hover effect right there. Okay, that's cool. We'll go back in. We'll grab our second one. Let's see what that is. Paste it in. Oh, it's still keeping with the others. So, okay, I won't keep you around, but hopefully you get the idea. You can go through and play around and try these other things. And again, specifically because Squarespace, because we've given it the exact HTML, it knows to target this specific block. Now, this one didn't seem to work. They're not all going to work. This is AI. It doesn't understand right now the full context of everything going on, but it understands a little more, and it can help with a lot of questions, even just with that little more context. So hopefully the goal right now is this will be the dumbest it will ever be. right now, this will be the dumbest it'll ever be. And over time, I'm going to be adding in more places for it to grab context and build out richer and more fun customizations. But for right now, this has been super helpful for me and Abby on our team and a couple people we've been beta testing this with. So I want to get this into your hands and see what you're able to do with it. So hope you enjoy. Let us know if you have any questions, and have an excellent day.